Hello, future billionaires. In today's video, we're going to review the Sam's Club Business Mastercard. We're going to cover the features and benefits. We're also going to cover how I made a mistake and got two cards, the Sam's Club Store Card and the Sam's Club Business Mastercard. Yes, you heard it correctly. I made a mistake and got two cards. We're going to discuss the requirements to apply. And last of all, but not least, towards the end of the video, I'm going to give you a bonus and give you a heads up on the next upcoming credit card for which we're going to review. Now let's take a look at the features and benefits of the Sam's Club Business Mastercard. Along, you will also hear me talk about the Plus membership that Sam's Club offers, along with their Sam's Club Store credit card. Now, I'll go into more detail about the Plus membership once we get into the requirements section of the video. But for this section, we're going to cover the features and benefits of the Sam's Club Business Mastercard and the Sam's Club Store card, along with the Plus membership of the card in this section of the video. So, starting out, as you can see, there are three credit cards, right? So the first two cards are the Sam's Club Business Mastercard. One has a Plus membership and one does not have the Plus membership. The store credit card allows you to only make purchases in the store. So this is your store credit card here. The other two credit cards, you can use these cards in Sam's Club and anywhere else. So first benefit is that you get 3% back on your Sam's Club Plus membership. If you don't have the Plus membership, you only earn 1% back. The next feature and benefit is that you earn 5% back on gas anywhere on your first $6,000 per year, then 1% after that. So with your Sam's Club Business Mastercard, you get 5% back. Now, looking at your next benefit here, you earn 3% back on dining and takeout. That's on the Sam's Club Business Mastercard. That's the Plus membership and non-Plus membership. And on all other purchases, you get 1% back. Again, that's on both the Sam's Club Business Plus card and the non-Plus card, the Business Mastercard for both cards here. Now, this card, of course, like I noted before, the Sam's Club Business Mastercard is accepted worldwide. You get zero foreign transaction fees on the Sam's Club Business Mastercard. There's no annual fee on the Sam's Club Business Mastercard, as you can see, nor the store credit card. This card is accepted at Sam's Club and Walmart. So you have the Sam's Club Business membership and the Sam's Club Store credit card. Scrolling on down, you can see that you get to manage your account with the Sam's Club app or online at samsclub.com credit. So that's for all three cards. And this card doubles as your membership. That's for all three cards. Now, I know you're wondering, in most mistakes, when you make a mistake, good things usually don't happen, right? And so this one mistake I made with applying for the credit card granted me both the Sam's Club Store card and the Sam's Club Business Mastercard. I'm going to go into detail with you with regards to what happened here. See, when I applied for the Sam's Club Business Mastercard, I applied too early. See, in order to apply for the Sam's Club Business Mastercard, you need to have a minimum of 4 business credit lines reporting on your business credit reports. I say it again, you need to have 4 business credit lines reporting on your business credit report. So when I applied too early. So when I went in to apply, got approved for the application, it came back that I had received the Sam's Club Store card because I was totally disappointed. Now, I know that I had applied early, but they gave me the Sam's Club Store card. So after receiving that Sam's Club Store card, I went back 30 days later and applied for the Sam's Club Business Mastercard, and I got the Sam's Club Business Mastercard along with the store card. So in essence, I have 2 cards. that store card and the Sam's Club Business Mastercard with double credit lines. The requirements to apply. So the first requirement that you must have a Sam's Club membership. Now, I encourage you have two memberships that you can choose from. You have the regular Sam's Club membership, which is $50 a year. You have the option to pay an additional $60 and get the Sam's Club Plus membership. Now, let me tell you, this Plus membership pays for itself, because let me tell you why. Now, if you look at it, if you notice, and I'm not going to take too much time explaining this membership, but as you denote on the Plus side, you do get 2% cash back on qualifying purchases up to $500 a year just for having a Plus membership. You get your bonus offers programs. You get free shipping if you decided to order anything online. Your curbside pickup is free. You got pharmacy savings. You got optical savings. You got instant savings. And again, as you denote, on that Sam's Club Mastercard, remember, you get the 3% cash back at Sam's Club with that Plus membership on top of the savings with the credit card. So this is the route to go. In addition to, you get member-only fuel savings. So I do encourage you to get the Plus membership. I'm going to include a link in the description of the video and from within the video, so that if you do not have the Sam's Club membership, you can go ahead and apply now. Now, that second requirement, I wholeheartedly encourage you, like I stated before, make sure you have a minimum of 4 business credit lines reporting on your business credit report. Now, you can have maybe like 3, and if you want to do like I did, have 2 or 3 and apply, and you can, get approved for the store card and just go back 30 days later and apply for the Sam's Club Business Mastercard. You can do that. But if you just want to go shoot for the Sam's Club Business Mastercard, make sure you have a minimum of 4 business credit lines reporting on your business credit report. Now, at the time that I applied for my Sam's Club Business Mastercard, there was no personal guarantee on this card. So they will actually allow you to get either the store card or the Sam's Club Business Mastercard without a personal guarantee. Now, what I'm indicating is that you can strictly use your EIN number to apply. Your social security number is not required. Now, I did hear some rumors out there for 2023 that the issuer of the credit card, Synchrony Bank, is going to require a personal guarantee. Now, again, that's a rumor for 2023. I haven't seen any actual stories where they're going to actually require you to use your social as a personal guarantee. Right now, the only thing that I know is that you can use your EIN only and not use your personal social security number. Because when I applied for my cards, the only thing that I was required to give is my EIN number. So as promised, I wanted to kind of give you a heads up on the next credit card that we're going to review on next week. And the next credit card that we're going to review is the Bank of America credit card. So that's a great credit card to have. I'll pretty much, do a review on next week. So go ahead and subscribe to this video so you can become immediately aware of when we release the video for the Bank of America credit card. I want you to be the first individual to view that video. So subscribe now. If you enjoyed today's video, like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you in that next upcoming video where we review the Bank of America credit card.